Meeting my friend Matt Dobrovolsky today from Darth Vader 92, just to have some fun in the Magic Kingdom. I could just look at this view all day for some reason. Lord, grant me strength. The expensive shop. Okay, so we obviously have drained the moat and are repairing it or fixing it or adding something. All those little individual tiles, crazy. Hey, Matt.
Hey.
I already introduced the whole Darth Vader 92 in the beginning.
Oh, thank you.
I'll show my face soon when he puts the camera on, but look at this shirt. This is Japan. Everything from Japan. I mean, gelatoni. And then what's his name again?
Chandu.
Chandu. I really like him. And he's in the video, in the ride.
Yep.
Yeah, your videos are awesome.
Sinbad Storybook Voyage.
Yeah, and that song Compass of My Heart is great.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to go on Pooh?
Let's go.
The East Wind traded places.
Wednesday. If you ask me, you'll never.
Toad!
The ladies are just great, doesn't it? Watch out for everyone and noodles. They steal honey. Steal honey.
To say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
Start the fire with all men.
What is this madness? The backside of the castle. You got lobster roll.
Yes. So, as you saw, I got the lobster roll here at Columbia Harbour House. Really good. I've usually come here and I'll grab this just because, like, it's real lobster meat, not imitation lobster meat. You know, the roll is pretty good. Get a couple of fries with it, too. $16. I mean, it's a little pricey, but overall, really good.
So I got the usual Walt Disney World chicken tenders, and I gotta tell you,
they don't disappoint. There's something with their chicken tenders, and somebody says it from Cast Connection, like if you have a cast member friend, Matt, they can buy like a bag, a couple of pounds worth frozen. I would do it because those are like you can't buy them in the store that good. So yeah, chicken tenders and fries, what could you say? They're pretty good, satisfied me. Now we're gonna go, I think, on the Haunted Mansion.
And Mr. Toad again.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
Let there be music from regions beyond.
You do need to be aware of them. This is so oh, it looks a little better.
Oh, this is even a B-shot.
Bring back the original.
It doesn't want to do anything.
Oh, it's gonna. Oh.
That is Kim.
Matt. So Tiana's Bayou adventure is certainly under construction.
Doesn't even look like Splash Mountain anymore.
It does not.
This is like more extensive, I think, than I thought it would be. So Matt and I were just talking that this sign makes people think this is a restaurant coming. You know, if you're not up on the Disney stuff like we are, you would think that that's a restaurant coming.
what's got the goods. Keep still.
I'll introduce myself if you don't mind. Hi there. I'm, now let's see now. It's right on the tip of my beak.
Clyde, Redbrain.
Oh yeah, I'm Clyde Birdbrain.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather up all your cameras, purses, and other articles, and now turn to your left towards the tall door.
When the drums begin, they'll open magically to lead you right into the Sunshine Pavilion. Is everybody ready?
I can't hear you. Is everybody ready? I say, have a good show. A real tropical serenade.
Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's Joe time.
Ah, and a wunderbar birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round.
I think I go in just for Big Al.
Go with it. Okay, we're going.